Welcome to my channel, What Went Wrong? Today's topic is iPhone Special Edition Camera and Video Full Review, including the third-party NeuralCam app. As you probably know, the iPhone Special Edition doesn't have a night mode feature. Thus, you need to install a third-party app to take photos in low light conditions. In this video, I will share all the pictures that I took, based on different modes such as Panorama, Portrait, Video, Slow-Mo, Time-Lapse, and finally the NeuralCam Night Mode. This is a good solution. It is very straightforward and easy to use, and it does live up to its claim. Do bear in mind it costs $2.99 for this app. Should you buy this app or not? Let's check it out. You are watching What Went Wrong. First of all, I have been impressed with my first iPhone and I have loved it since day one. During the past few days, I have played around with the camera features and I found it is very easy to use and the pictures taken were actually great. Without any further delay, let me show you the result. Amazing, right? I hope you like these photos. Next, let us head to the next section, Portrait Mode. This is very new to me as I seldom use portraits, but the effects are very good. So basically you have 6 lighting options which you can play around. Here are the descriptions from the official Apple website. You can pause and read it before we move on. In this video, I just took 4 different effects just to demonstrate its result. All the effects are kind of cool, especially the high key light mono, which I like the most, and I think you can use this to shoot a full model with the white background. Alright, that's it. Let's move to the next section, Panorama mode. For Panorama, I only took 3 pictures. So when you look at the details, you will find it very sharp. The first and second pictures were taken on a highway bridge, while the third was a primary school in my area, Sandakan. The next section is a bit exciting, which is the slow-mo mode. In the slow-mo setting, you have 2 options, either 720 pixel with 240 frame rates or the HD with 120 frame rates. First video was 720 pixel with 240 frame rates, while the second was HD with 120 frame rates. I only show part of the slow-mo to demonstrate the effect. So next is the time-lapse mode. The first video was taken on the roadside near a park, whereby you can see a lot of locals come here for jogging. The second was taken in a road nearby a busy town area. All videos were taken more than 10 minutes. The third video was taken in a nearby park where I want to test the low light condition. As you can see, the video is not as detailed as the other two. The last video was taken near my house, as I want to show you the cloud movement using time-lapse. That's it. Let us move to the next section, video mode. Since you already watched the slow-mo and time-lapse videos, I don't need to explain more about the video performance. The video recording of iPhone Special Edition is great and I absolutely love it. Just watch these 3 videos and you will understand its performance. I have saved the best for the last section, which is NeuralCam Night Mode. In this section, you will find more pictures for better understanding. So let's go! The app works by capturing multiple images and processing them using the latest technologies based on AI and computational photography. This same approach has been used by Google for its single camera Pixel smartphones. It can take brighter and clearer pictures in dark or low light settings. Without further delay, let us see the results right away. I want to show you how dark it is before I take any picture. So these are the results which both are not good, and really you shouldn't take any pictures under this environment. However, under normal night mode settings, you can see a big difference, which I would say NeuralCam does a good job in brightening up these pictures. I am very satisfied with this camera performance, even though I had to install the NeuralCam app, which costs $2.99 to take night mode pictures. It might not be as good as iPhone 11, but considering the price of iPhone Special Edition, I'm alright with it. Should you buy this app after you purchase iPhone Special Edition? Absolutely yes, a very big yes for me. And I hope you enjoy taking pictures with iPhone Special Edition as much as I do. Do comment and let me know if I missed out anything in this video. Until we meet again, stay safe and enjoy using iPhone Special Edition. Lots of love, less to spend. You are watching What Went Wrong.